My name is Keith Hull. Welcome to another NASE Minute. Today I want to talk about year-end tax planning. Now, hopefully we still have a long time before the end of the year, but it's never too early to get an early start. There are really 4 things that you can do to manage your tax liability, hopefully to end up paying the least amount of tax as possible. Those 4 areas are defer revenue, so delay the income, accelerate expenses, move expenses forward if you can. Third, don't miss any deductions that you're eligible for. And lastly, don't forget about retirement plan contributions. So now the first item we talked about is deferring revenue. Now what we're really talking about here is timing. If you have the ability to bill your clients near the end of the year for projects that you've just completed, services that you're performing that you have progress billing options, if you wait until after the first of the year to collect those monies, you won't pay tax on those receipts until April 15th a year from now. So to the extent you can manage cash flow and defer that revenue, that's one good way to manage your tax liability. Now the opposite of that is to accelerate business expenses. Now, never go out and spend money just to get a tax deduction because you won't be ahead of the game. But if you know you're going to buy a new computer, you know you need a new printer, you're thinking about new office furniture, if there is an expense that you know you're going to incur anyway, do your best to spend that money before the end of the year. There are accelerated depreciation options, many of which that provide a full 100% deduction for that computer, printer, furniture that can dramatically reduce your taxes. Again, don't go buy a computer just so you can pay less in taxes. But if you're going to do that anyway, accelerate those expenses before the end of the year and you can reduce the amount of tax that you have to pay. Third, make sure you take advantage of all the deductions that are available to you. Most of those deductions show right up in your business bank account, so make sure you get everything on the right line. But don't forget about those expenses that might not be in your business bank account. For example, the business use of your car, if you operate out of your home, taking advantage of the home office deduction. So be aggressive and make sure you take advantage of all available deductions to reduce your tax liability. And lastly, don't forget about retirement plan contributions. Putting money away for your own future is a great way to reduce the amount of money you have to pay to the IRS. So do some planning, do it before you get to April 15th. That way you can really take advantage of accelerating expenses, deferring revenue, and manage the amount of money you have to pay to the IRS. If you've got more specific questions, let us know. We're here to help. Bookmark our website at nase.org and always remember, you're not alone.